Have you heard about the Introduction to Data Analysis with Python course by iLet Solutions?
No, I haven't. What is it about?
It's a course that will help you strengthen your skills as a data scientist so that you can visualize many different types of data.
That sounds interesting. Do I need to have coding experience to take the course?
No, you don't. The course is designed for beginners with no previous coding experience. It will take you through an introduction to data analysis with Python using essential Python data analysis tools.
What will I learn by the end of the course?
You will understand the fundamentals of Python for data analysis. This will help you move beyond using Excel to process and organize your data.
That's great. Why is it important to learn data analysis with Python?
Python is a powerful tool for data analysis, and it's becoming increasingly popular in the industry. It's essential to keep up with the latest technology and trends to stay competitive in the job market.
I see. Where can I find more information about the course?
You can visit the iLet Solutions website for more information and to enroll in the course.